Alright, in this lesson we're going to look at the Sus4 chord, and specifically we're going to look at Pinball Wizard by The Who, because it's a great example of a Sus4 chord. But first we're going to just build a Sus4 chord starting on our D chord here, because it's probably a form that you know. Alright, to make it D sus4, we're going to replace the third with the fourth degree of the D scale, since we're playing a D chord. So the third degree of a D scale, if we build a D scale, we go D, whole step to E, whole step to F sharp, because remember E to F is a half step, so we get an F sharp. And if we look at our D chord, we have an F sharp on the second fret of our E string. It's then replaced with the fourth, so we go D, E, F sharp, G. G was the fourth degree of the scale. So here's my D chord. I drop my pinky in for a D sus4. And you'll notice the D sus4 has a strong desire to want to go back to D. Alright? So for Pinball Wizard, what we're going to do, though, is we're going to build it around our F chord. We're not going to use the F chord, but just a shape that you recognize. But we're going to play it with fingers 1 and 2, just borrowing strings 1 and 2. I think I said that bizarrely. Funny, not right. Whatever. Finger 1 is going to bar across finger 1 and 2. Second finger plays the third fret. Second fret of the third string, sorry, I'm all a mess. And then third finger's playing the third fret of the fourth string for an F. And then we're going to bring the thumb up over to bar our bottom note. Okay, so this is the chord. To make it sus4, we drop the pinky in right in front of the middle finger, so it's the third fret there. Sus4 gets resolved. Alright, so we're going to move up to B. That's the start of Pinball Wizard. So we go F, whole step to G, whole step to A, whole step to B. So this gives us a B in 7th position. B sus4 because of the pinky, right? That's our form. And then I take the pinky away. There's our B chord. Alright, so I'm going to put my thumb over the top. There's our B sus4 to B. Alright, so basically in the tune, he's playing solid 16ths, which is 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and... So solid 16ths for the first 3 beats, which will give you 4 16ths per beat, so times 3 beats, 12 16th notes, and then 2 8th notes on beat 4, 2 down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. But he plays a specific accenting to that solid 16th note. So that rhythm's what we're going to look at now. We're going to play our B sus4. It's a dotted eighth with the 16th at the end, which means we're going to go 1 E and up. So down, up, 1 E and up, down, up, 1 E and up. Alright, and then that note is tied over, and then on the end of beat 2, we're going to play down again. So we're going to go 1 E and a 2 and. So down, up, down. Oop, I forgot my B. Down, up, down. So 1 E and a 2 and. Down, up, down. Alright? And then that's tied over to beat 3, and we're going to go back up on the E of beat 3. So we have 1 E and a 2 and 3 E. So down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. And then for beat 4, we're just going to do 2 downs. Down, down. So we have 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and 4 and. 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and 4 and. And you'll notice on the acoustic guitar it's a little rough. If you have an electric, you may want to play it on the electric. So anyway, that's our start. We're going to play that for one measure, then we're going to release the pinky to give us the B. So we're going to get a... And he plays that for a bunch of times. I think it might be a little faster than that too. Something like that. 132 beats per minute, I think, is the speed of that song. Anyway, so that's our B sus4 resolving to our B. From there, once the singing starts, he goes from that, back a whole step to A, plays the same thing, same rhythm, back to G, and then back to F sharp, close to where we started, because we first looked at building that F. Alright, so we're going to go from B, fun, and that's like the whole. Something like that. Anyway, have fun. B sus4 to B, the sus4 chord. Have fun.